Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson chapter 3, review and summary homework, part 1 of pre-calculus math today. And today for your homework, you have 100 points homework lesson today, part 1, chapter 3 summary, page 1 of your homework. Use a calculator to evaluate the function at the indicated value of x. Round your result to 4 decimal places in each one of these boxes here. For these 4 up here, and then graphs of y equals a to the x and y equals a to the negative x. In these exercises 9 through 12, you got 9 here, which this will be your graph here for 9, and then 10, this will be your graph here. Graph the exponential function by hand, identify any asymptotes and intercepts, and determine whether the graph of the function is increasing and decreasing. So here's your box here for 10. Enter your values in your box, and then answer these questions in this response box here for 10. Here's your response box for 9. Here's your table for 9. Here's your function for 9. Graph it there. 10. Graph this here. And identify any asymptotes, intercepts, and determine whether graph of the function is increasing or decreasing. There's 12 points here for page 1. Page 2, the graphs are labeled A, B, C, and D. So A, B, C, and D. Match the function with its graph. Here are your functions down here. Match these with its graph. And then 11 and 12, graph these for 11 and 12. Continue graphing down here for 11 and 12, and describe asymptotes here for 12, intercepts, asymptotes, and for 11, I guess that would be down here for 11, and then here's your box here for 11. Page 3, use a graphing calculator to construct a table of values here. Then sketch the graph of the function. Identify any asymptotes of the graph. You can identify them on the grid for each one of these functions. Just say, well, y equals 2 is an asymptote or something like that. If it's horizontal, vertical, x equals 5 or whatever. And say a vertical asymptote, VA and an HA. Page 3, 18 points here. Then page 4, same thing. Graph it, identify asymptotes or intercepts. Then page 5 here, complete the table, determine the balance A for $10,000. Invested at rate R for T years. In this situation here, using your formulas for finding your balance after a certain amount of time at a certain percentage. Same thing here. 21. A new SUV 32,000. You got a word problem here. Use a graphing calculator for this. Find the value of SUV after 2 years from this formula here. 8 points for page 5. Page 6, radioactive decay problem here. Determine the initial quantity. Determine the quantity after 10 years. Use a graphing calculator to graph the function from t equals 0 to t equals 50. Rescale this here on your horizontal axes to accommodate that, and that's 8 points for page 6. Page 7, write the log equation in exponential form, or write the exponential equation in logarithmic form. So exponential, log, 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 log. And that's page 7, 20 points here for these. And that's your part 1 homework for chapter 3 review and summary. Email me here for questions or other course materials. Thank you.